Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Husnul Amalia. I'm from PBIB. In this video, I'm going to tell about several things that I got from cross-cultural understanding subject. There are two things I will tell about that are similarities and differences between Indonesian culture and culture from another country. First, I will talk about the similarities. First, culture comes from Finland. People in Finland always take off their slippers or shoes before entering the house. It same in Indonesia. We always take off our slippers or shoes before entering the house. And the second culture comes from Brunei Darussalam. People in Brunei Darussalam celebrate Idul Fitri. It's same in Indonesia. We also celebrate Idul Fitri after fasting for a month. The third comes from the same country, that is Brunei Darussalam. In Brunei Darussalam, people cannot use left hand when deliver something to others. It's same in Indonesia. We also cannot use our left hand when we deliver something to others because it is impolite. Uh, the fourth comes from Morocco. In Morocco, it is forbidden to eat with left hand. It's same in Indonesia. We also cannot use a left hand when we eat something, but we use our right hand. Uh, the fifth culture comes from Morocco. People in Morocco celebrate Idul Adha. It's same in Indonesia. We also celebrate Idul Adha. Sixth come from Greece. In Greece, there is food called souvlaki. It is made from chicken or beef. In Indonesia, there is similar food like souvlaki, that is sate. And the last comes from Kazakhstan. In Kazakhstan, most of the population adheres to Islam. It's same like Indonesia. Okay, next I will tell about the differences between Indonesian culture and culture from another country. First, culture comes from Netherlands. In Netherlands, people did not close their window at night, but in Indonesia, we always close our window at night. And the second comes from Norway. In Norway, every Sunday there are no food store open in Norway, but in Indonesia, food store open every day. Third comes from Bahrain. In Bahrain, women should not driving a car, but in Indonesia, women or men can driving a car freely. A fourth comes from Brazil. In Brazil, it is forbidden to use hand when we eating something. We have to use a spoon or fork. But in Indonesia, we can eat something without we can eat something without a spoon. And the fifth come from the same country, that is Brazil. In Brazil, it is forbidden to use a OK sign because it is impolite, but in Indonesia we can use a OK sign. And the sixth come from Finland. People in Finland don't like small talk, but in Indonesia we'll always do small talk when we meet someone. And the last come from Finland. In Finland, it is common to shake hands with left hand, but in Indonesia, we usually use our right hand to shake hand with other people. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.